On the seniors saving $1 billion, does that take into account some of the higher premiums that have been reported for drug plans this year as a result of drug caps and the administration pulling billions of dollars from Medicare, the Medicare Trust Fund?
Sorry, I'm having a little bit of a hard time hearing you. So you said,
as far as the $1 billion that seniors are saving, does that take into account the result of drug caps as well as pulling from the Medicare Trust Fund?
So it's a good question. I don't have the specifics to that of the $1 billion. Obviously, it's saving Americans a lot on prescription drugs, $1 billion, as I just stated. So I think that's really important, and that's what we wanted to note. The president will certainly share more. I don't have the specific on that particular question about caps, so I can talk to the team and get back to you. But I think the most important thing here to note is that because of the Inflation Reduction Act, because of the work that this administration has done to lower costs on prescription drugs, you're seeing the results of that. Again, the Inflation Reduction Act, only Democrats voted for that. Republicans went against it. And now you have Medicare, Medicare is able to really negotiate lowering cost prices. And I think it's a win. This is a win for Americans across the country. This is what you're going to hear from the president. Senator Bernie Sanders, obviously he can speak for himself, has been a huge advocate of lowering drug costs. So I think it's important. This report obviously shows a really critical number that matters, and I think and connecting that to the Inflation Reduction Act, it's a big deal. It's a really big deal. At that particular specific question, I'm going to have to ask the team to get back to you on that. Go ahead, Joe.